Hi, I'm Kate and welcome to Regent's University London. If you've been dreaming of studying in this incredible city, then Regent's is the place for you. Located in the heart of London's iconic Royal Regent's Park, our 11-acre private campus offers a home away from home experience with on-campus accommodation and 24/7 security. You'll also be just steps away from London's vibrant cultural scene and Marylebone's cafes, boutiques and restaurants. Our summer courses are flexible, offering 3 to 6 week programs with the additional opportunity to add a 6-week internship to gain real industry experience. You can build your own personalised program, choosing from a wide range of modules including fashion PR, consumer behaviour, luxury branding, literary London, experiencing theatre, business ethics, international finance and more. Make new friends, explore the capital and build skills for your future. Interested in learning more? Contact us at studyabroad@regents.ac.uk. We can't wait to welcome you on campus very soon.